I have not switched it on. Yeah, we will start with Ankita Das again. Ankita Das,
Yes, sir.
Ankita Das.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the difference between check and a demand draft?
Sir, demand draft is a prepaid instrument, whereas check is not prepaid. Check is a signed and dated instrument where if we take the check to the drawer bank, then the amount
Drawee Bank.
is
Drawee Bank.
sorry, draw bank, then then we receive the amount from it. But demand draft, when we pay the amount itself, then it is issued. So there is no chance of any mistake happening with that. Like there is no chance of it bouncing, whereas in check it might bounce.
That is one reason, one difference. Any other difference
Yes.
you can think of? I have elaborated in more than one class. Can you recollect any other difference between a check and a demand draft?
uh, Sir, other than it being a prepaid instrument,
Oh, other than that,
other than that, sir,
there is one more important difference.
yeah.
Let me check up from our Nitya. Can you get some points?
Sir, DD it is issued by the bank,
Okay,
whereas check is issued by the customer.
right,
Check requires signing by the account holder,
correct.
and in case of DD, only if you have money you can take it. But as she said, in case of check, there is a chance of getting dishonored.
Okay,
And in case of if amount exceeds specified limit, we have to pay DD charges.
no, even otherwise charges are there. Even for
Okay.
1000 nowadays they charge 70 80 rupees. That's okay.
Okay.
Then
Uh,
of course your point is well taken. For issuing demand draft charges are to be paid. For issuing check there are no charges. Correct. Then
Sir, a DD can be paid only to the ordered person,
uh,
whereas a check can be paid to the bearer also. Whoever bears the check, he can be paid.
that is a good point. Excellent. That's what I had in mind.
Yes, sir.
Ankita, a demand draft can be cannot be bearer because as per Article 31 of RBI Act, nobody can issue a bearer draft except Reserve Bank of India.
Okay, sir.
So that is the reason. समझ गया? Good.
Okay, okay,
You
okay,
answered.
प्लीज
okay.
रिपीट आपने क्या कहा
Pardon.
सर प्लीज रिपीट आप क्या बोल रहे थे अभी
अच्छा Zinat Goel. See, as per Article 31 of RBI Act 1934, nobody can issue a bearer demand draft except RBI. That is why banks are issuing always order drafts. Bearer drafts means what? This currency note. This is the bearer draft. आप लोग you are seeing here what is the हमारा I am not able to read हमारा eyesight poor हो गया. I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 200 rupees. I hope you can see it in the screen. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
this cannot be issued by anybody else. I mean, that is why a draft is always an order instrument. समझ गया? Other points we
Yes,
have
sir.
covered very well. That demand draft will not be returned. Check can be returned. A demand draft is issued by a bank and DD by a customer of a bank. Then the thing is, while issuing demand drafts, we cannot have post-dated, pre-dated. चेक में पोस्ट डेटेड प्री डेटेड हो सकता है. देन बेयरर डिमांड ड्राफ्ट नहीं होगा. करेक्ट अंकिता? Say
Yes,
yes.
sir. Correct.
Next question
Yes,
to
sir.
Ankita. What is
Yes.
overdraft?
Sir, overdraft is a facility that is provided for current account. So that is
Tell me. Hello? 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 You lost your network connection trying to reconnect. क्या हुआ? 1 minute. No, மேல ஒரு பத்து இதுதானே பண்ணேன். சொல்லிட்டு தானே பண்ணேன். Okay. Okay. அது இல்லடி. கிளாஸ் திடீர்னு எனக்கு யோசிக்கிறேன். Yes, yes, wait. Hello. I am waiting for others to come and join us. Ankita has come. Very good. Please come, Ankita. Power cut ho gaya suddenly. That is why I had to rearrange it. Ankita Dash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what about other two girls? You know, they came, but yeah, two people were there now. Nitya, Kalyani, and others. I think they will come. There were two others, no? 1 minute. Nitya, Kalyani. Then another girl is Sonali. Class started.
Sir, Zeenat.
Yeah, Zenat. Zenat Beatana. Zenat. The one problem is I am not retaining the numbers of all these people. Doesn't matter. They will come. I think if I send it in their email, आएगा. Zenat, 1 minute. Zenat. Yeah. The one problem is I am having too many email IDs.
Yes, sir.
That is again a problem. So let us see if they come, well and good. Otherwise, we will be talking. Ankita Dash, I was
Okay,
talking
sir.
to you about what is an overdraft. Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, overdraft is basically a type of a loan only, and it is given to current account holders where if they have exceeded, if their balance has gone below zero, or if they have exceeded a particular amount that was already in their account, then the bank provides them facility to yet withdraw some money, which they can pay back later to the bank.
Correct.
Sir, up to a certain limit.
Yeah. Good. Now, next one is what is a fixed deposit?
Sir, fixed deposit is when there is a certain amount of money that we keep with the bank and we get interest from that.
Okay. Then what
We
is
fix it with the
maturity and
bank.
maturity data?
So, maturity is when the deposit has matured and we can take it out,
And what is
withdraw
the
it.
maturity data?
So, maturity date
Ah,
on the day when the account has that particular deposit has matured the amount.
acha acha. Anybody has got extra phone with you there? Nobody. I must be having हमारा phone किधर है? 1 minute. I will just call other children. It's okay. They will join us if they are deserving to join. That is how we have to take it. Yeah. Now, for example, Nitya Kalyani, she has got interview tomorrow. It's okay. Yeah. Zenat, you have come now, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I'll go with you for some next few questions. Differentiate debit card and credit card.
सर डेबिट कार्ड इज द कार्ड फ्रॉम विच इफ वी सर अगर हम डेबिट कार्ड यूज करते हैं तो वो जो अमाउंट है वो हमारे अकाउंट से कम होती है और क्रेडिट कार्ड एक तरह की लिमिट है जो बैंक हमें प्रोवाइड करता है, एक एक्स्ट्रा फैसिलिटी है जिसके अगेंस्ट हम क्रेडिट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, उधार ले सकते हैं.
Correct. Good. Next, Anshu has come. Good. Very good. Then what is exchange rate, Zenat?
सर एक्सचेंज रेट, ओके सर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फॉरेन करेंसी.
Obviously.
ओके सर एक्सचेंज रेट, सर मुझे डेफिनेशन नहीं पता सर.
Exchange rate is basically a rate with the help of which one country's currency can be exchanged with the currency of another country. Can you repeat?
Sir, it is a rate at which the currency of one country can be exchanged with the currency of another country.
Good. What do you understand by interest rate, Zenat?
Sir, interest rates are different. जो बैंक चार्ज करता है वो डिपॉजिट्स पे भी चार्ज करता है और एक लोन्स पे भी चार्ज करता है. अगर जो डिपॉजिट्स पे इंटरेस्ट रेट चार्ज करता है वो उसको पे करना पड़ता है और जो लोन्स पे चार्ज करता है वो उसको रिसीव होता है. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा इनकम एंड एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंस.
Good. What is CBS?
कोर बैंकिंग सोल्यूशन.
Core banking solution. Very good. What is the advantage of core banking solution?
सर इसका एडवांटेज सबसे बड़ा ये है कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया हम कहीं पे भी ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो हम अपना अकाउंट कहीं से भी असेस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि जो हमारा अकाउंट है वो बैंक के कॉमन सर्वर से अटैच हो जाता है.
Good. Next, we will go to this girl, Anshu. Please tell me what is internet banking? Anshu Agarwal.
Hello.
What is internet
Yes, sir.
banking? What is internet banking?
सर जो बैंकिंग हम इंटरनेट के थ्रू करते हैं इंटरनेट इंटरफेस पे वो इंटरनेट बैंकिंग है.
Can you tell it in a better way? What is internet banking? Try करिए.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली जो बैंकिंग हम करते हैं वो इंटरनेट बैंकिंग है.
In other words, internet banking is a system wherein customers can conduct their transactions through internet. This kind of banking is also known as e-banking and
Yes, sir.
online banking. समझ गया?
Yes. Yes, sir.
अच्छा, Anshu, please tell me what do you understand by the term amount in terms of banking? Amount means what?
Amount means the money, our money,
Amount.
which
हाँ,
जो हम बैंक में रखते हैं, अमाउंट इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैश और सिक्योरिटीज.
no, wrong. You are not getting the point. Nitya ji, can you try? What is amount?
Sir, principal plus interest.
Principal plus interest is amount. Always principal separate है, plus interest will become आपको amount बोलेंगे. Anshu, what is your degree?
सर एमकॉम.
M.Com तो बोलना पड़ेगा. M.Com को तो पता होना चाहिए. Okay,
सॉरी सर.
कोई बात नहीं. Just funning, making fun of you. अच्छा, tell me the difference between current account, savings account, Anshu.
सर करंट अकाउंट डेली यूज के लिए होता है जिसमें इंटरेस्ट चार्ज नहीं होता, और सेविंग अकाउंट्स पे हमें एक सर्टेन इंटरेस्ट रेट पे इंटरेस्ट मिलता है.
अभी आपका इंटरेस्ट रेट क्या पता है? Nowadays how much interest rate SB में देता है, कुछ आइडिया है?
सर इट्स 3.5.
2.7 to 3.
2.7 to 3. Okay,
some
sir.
banks give 2.7, some banks give maximum 3. ऐसा भी देखा नहीं. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Who is the regulatory authority of RRBs?
RRB is NABARD.
Correct. Okay. A scheduled bank, a bank can be included in the second schedule if its paid up capital is how many lakhs rupees?
5 lakh.
Correct. Good. Yeah. Good. Section 17 of the Banking Regulation Act lays down that banks shall create a reserve fund out of the balance of profit of each year. Also, before the declaration of dividend, a certain percentage of such profit should be transferred to the reserve fund. What is that percentage? How much of profit must be transferred to a reserve fund? This is a new question I am asking. Yeah.
Sorry, sir. No idea.
Anybody has got some idea?
20%, sir.
Yeah. 20% of such profit. Good. Anshu, this also.
Yes, sir.
You are from which state, Anshu?
Rajasthan, sir.
Acha, this question is not from Rajasthan. The first land mortgage bank was established in 1920 in a place known as Jind, J-H-I-N-D. That is in which state?
Punjab, sir.
Correct. Good. And next one.
So please repeat the question.
The first land mortgage bank was established in 1920 at Jind, J-H-I-N-D. I asked it is in which state. She told correctly Punjab. Correct? Anshu, good. Very nice.
Yes.
Anshu, please tell me. Under section 20 of Banking Regulation Act, a bank is prohibited from granting any loan or advance to whom? To whom bank cannot lend its loan? The answer, many of us may not know. It's a new concept. It is known as to any directors, bank cannot give its own advance. समझ गया? I am a director in Yes Bank. Yes Bank cannot give any loan to me. Correct. Now tell me, Anshu, what is merchant banking?
मर्चेंट बैंकिंग
सुना नहीं?
सर, जो जो बैंकिंग फर्म फर्म से करते, एक फर्म के नाम पे या फिर कंपनी के नाम से होती है,
हाँ.
उसे
मर्चेंट बैंक,
मर्चेंट।
या मर्चेंट बैंकिंग. हु कैन ट्राई? अंकिता, आप जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. In merchant banking, the bank, along with loans, it provides other services also to its customer. So, like marketing and
No.
yes, sir. About legal.
No. You are not nearing the point. Jeenat,
Yes, sir.
have you heard about this merchant banking? I think we discussed once or twice in a class.
Yes, sir. थोड़ा बहुत पता है. Sir, merchant banking is the banking in which bank promotes the merchants and their business by lending them loans.
No. Nitya Lakshmi.
Sir, in addition to banking, it will provide consultancy service, like giving advice, telling them where to invest, like that.
And also help in fundraising.
Okay, sir.
Say in the matter of initial public offer and all, they will help. The term merchant bank refers to a financial institution that conducts underwriting, loan services, financial advising, and fundraising services for large corporations and high net worth individuals. समझ गया? Could you follow?
यस सर।
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were talking to Anshu. I will ask an easy question for Anshu. Last question for Anshu. This time, this round. RBI was nationalized in which year?
1934।
Nationalized in which year?
1934 सर।
Wrong.
1949.
1935।
No.
1949.
49 is the answer.
सॉरी सर।
Anshu. So you have to answer one more question.
यस सर।
Which bank is normally authorized to act as agent of Reserve Bank in places where there is no branch of Reserve Bank of India?
व्हाट सर?
Which bank is authorized to act as an agent of Reserve Bank of India in places where there is no branch of a Reserve Bank of India?
स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
Correct. Good. Excellent. Nicely
Sir,
put.
can you repeat the question one more time? I was not able to hear.
Which bank is authorized to act as agent of Reserve Bank of India at the places where there is no branch of Reserve Bank of India?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good. Now Zenith Goyal has not taken any marks. Zenith,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Sir, good. Very well.
Zenith is from which place?
Sir, Punjab, Bathinda.
Oh Baba, Punjab, Batinda. Good. कल आप लोग का लेडीज ज़्यादा दिल्ली में जाके कुछ गड़बड़ का काम करते हैं, स्ट्राइक वगैरह करते हैं ना?
Yes, sir. They are protesting for the farm laws.
They are protesting. What is the protest they are making?
Sir, they are saying that they should take it back, the laws.
अच्छा, ओहो. What is your view regarding that?
Sir, I'm not the expert. Sir, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक्सपर्ट कमेटी बिठाई है, जब वो देंगे तो पता चल जाएगा.
You are very clever. You are not getting caught in this. Good. अच्छा, you are from Punjab, na?
Yes, sir.
Vijay Hazare Trophy.
Yes, sir.
This trophy is related to which game?
Sir, don't know.
Anybody else can tell?
Sir, cricket.
Correct. Vijay Hazare Trophy is related to cricket because it has replaced Ranji Trophy. It
Okay,
has
sir.
replaced Ranji Trophy. Okay,
Okay, sir.
excellent. Next one. National Health Authority of India. Who is the new chief executive who has been appointed? National Health Authority of India. Zenith.
सर नहीं पता.
नहीं पता. Answer is R.S. Sharma.
Okay,
He
sir.
was formerly chairman of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. He has been appointed as new chief executive officer of National Health Authority. He
Okay,
is
sir.
to replace Indu Bhushan after his 3-year term. National Health Authority is responsible for implementing public health insurance scheme. What is the name of that scheme? Ayushman Bharat or Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Sharma is also chairperson of an empowered committee on Co-Win platform. So this question is relevant because of this corona climate. National Health Authority R.S. Sharma. He was previously in TRAI.
Try.
Yeah. Okay. As per National Statistics Organization's revised estimates released recently, what was India's GDP growth rate for 2019-20? How much percentage was it? Was it 1% or 3% or 4%?
सर 1920.
Ah,
सर उन्होंने ग्रोथ नहीं बोली थी, उन्होंने रिडक्शन बोली थी 7.7% की.
no. That was 2021, na? That was 2021. अभी कम होगा. 1920 में उन्होंने ग्रोथ रेट बोला है 4%.
ओके सर.
Okay. Tell me who is the Union External Affairs Minister?
सर सुब्रमण्यम जयशंकर.
Very good. You are only telling full name. S. Jaishankar. What is this? You may not answer. Let me try. What is German watch? Zenith.
यस सर.
What is German watch? It is related to what?
सर जर्मन वॉच डॉग.
Not German watchdog. nahi. German watch. It is related to what?
सर डोंट नो.
Anybody else?
Sir, it is a non-profit organization related to environment and climate change.
Correct. It is in regard to climate risk index.
Okay, sir.
Climate risk index. Zenith, which
Yes, sir.
construction major has bagged the contract for construction of steel bridges for Mumbai and Ahmedabad bullet train project? Which company has bagged the project? Some civil engineer was there, na? Civil engineer. Who was civil engineer?
सर लास्ट
Sir.
Nitya. Then who else?
Yes, sir.
Nitya was only civil. Civil.
Yes.
Can you tell me which company has taken this contract?
L&T, sir.
Correct. Good. Correct only. L&T
Yes,
has
sir.
bagged this They may ask you this question.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Zenith, what is the rank of India in COVID-19 performance index released by Sydney-based Lowy Institute? What is the rank of India in terms of that performance index?
सर आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली बट इट्स मोर देन 80.
86 is the answer. You are right. Very happy. You are right. Which Indian monument was lit on January 30 to observe the neglected tropical diseases? Which Indian monument? Zenith.
Sir, don't know.
I will give you choice. Was it Taj Mahal or Qutub Minar?
Sir, Qutub Minar.
Correct. Excellent. Correct. Which international organization conducted the event restoring cross-border mobility? Is it United Nations or World Bank or World Economic Forum?
Sir, United Nations.
The answer is World Economic Forum.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let me come to our routine questions. Can you tell me, Zenith, what is a financial system?
Sir, financial system deals with the sale and purchase of goods or services.
Can there be a better way of answering it? Can you try?
Sir,
Can we tell it better way?
sir, it involves sale and purchase of goods and services. It is regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It is the supreme authority.
No. If it is going to be sale and purchase, then that is known as real estate में आ जाएगा. But what we are talking is financial system. Finance में what is happening mainly? जिसको पास ज़्यादा पैसा है उनसे लेते हैं, जिसको पास पैसा चाहिए उनको देते हैं.
Okay,
समझ गया?
yes,
I will read the definition. Financial system means a mechanism in an economy to mobilize the monetary resources or capital from various surplus sectors of the economy and to allocate and distribute the same to various needy sectors. समझ गया Zenith?
yes, sir.
Can you try now? What is financial system?
ओके सर, इसका मतलब है जिनके पास पैसा कम है और जिनके पास ज्यादा है उनको उनके बीच में इंटरमीडिएटरी का काम करना. जिसके पास ज्यादा है उससे लेके जिसके पास कम है उसको देना.
Good. Zenith, this instrument is given by the bank whenever we put money into the bank. This instrument is not transferable by endorsement. What is it called?
कैन यू रिपीट?
Huh?
कैन यू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन?
No. I think you are not understanding it. Ankita, can you understand the question? I think we discussed yesterday.
Sir,
also. No. There is an instrument which cannot be transferred by endorsement. And this is being given to us by the bank when we put money into the bank. Fixed deposit receipt.
ओके सर.
Okay.
Zenith, fixed deposit receipt. Okay. Now, next I must ask some new question because every question is whatever I am seeing is what has been asked yesterday. Can you define non-performing assets?
So these are the assets on which the either principal or interest or both are not paid for more than 90 days.
And you must add one more important point also. All of us will stop with this. We should add one more point. They have stopped giving income to the bank.
Okay, sir.
That is the very significant point, Zenith. They have stopped giving income to the bank. समझ गया?